Now we will study how to abort an ongoing operation, and we will use Scilab, but this is also possible in MATLAB and Octave. You have to do exactly the same, but before starting with it, I want to thank my first 2 subscribers. I am really happy with it, and this video is dedicated to you. So let's use the random function. This function generates a random number between 0 and 1, and we will make Scilab generate a massive number of random numbers. So let's hit enter, and as you can see, a lot of numbers are being generated, and what you have to do is press Ctrl and C at the same time, and as you can see, the operation is aborted. So this is how to abort an operation manually in MATLAB, Scilab, and Octave.